insurance and I saved hundreds.
That's great.
I know, right? I've been telling everyone.
Liberty.
Did you hear that? I just said her first word. Can you say mama?
Liberty.
Can you say auntie?
Liberty.
How many people did you tell?
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, liberty, liberty.
Liberty.
This broadcast has been interrupted by the request of civil authorities. All cable broadcast stations shall transmit this message. Do not turn off your device. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning around 12:56 p.m. for Inget fighters have flew over Oklahoma City, Edmond, and Norman. If you are not in the affected location, you should tune to stations regarding your location. For the residents of the affected location, find a shelter, lock your doors, wait for authorities to reach you. This broadcast has been interrupted by the request of civil authorities. All cable broadcast stations shall transmit this message. Do not turn off your device. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning around 12:56 p.m. for Inget fighters have flew over Oklahoma City, Edmond, and Norman. If you are not in the affected location, you should tune to stations regarding your location. For the residents of the affected location, find a shelter, lock your doors, wait for authorities to reach you.